Some are trying to clone animals for organ transplants, and the patients desperate to receive them. But a California company is using similar technology to make nearly identical animals for food. Building a better chicken is the dream of geneticist Rob Etches.
100 years ago, if you wanted to produce a superb chicken, you would take a very good male and a very good female, cross them, and get offspring that had the attributes you were after. So what we're offering the poultry industry today is the opportunity to look at a particular individual and say, that is a great bird. We're going to make a lot of copies of that individual.
In experiments at Origin Therapeutics, black feathered chickens represent the great bird, a meaty bird that grows fast and efficiently. But here's the big problem. You can't raise enough meaty birds to make money. They don't lay enough eggs. So, how do you get a lot of meaty birds? You hijack the eggs of a good layer like this white chicken. The experiment starts with a fertilized egg from the good layer. Each egg has a tiny embryo that would develop into another good layer. But instead, the embryo gets an injection of cells from meaty bird embryos. Origin calls this metacloning. The meaty bird cells mix with the good layer's cells to form what's called a chimera, one animal composed of two different cell lines. The chicks emerge color-coded. Black patches have developed from meaty bird cells. The blacker the chick, the meatier the adult.
People have been breeding chickens for a very long time, and I see ourselves as simply breeding chickens using some new tools. You have some affinity with the species you work with, and you certainly see them as very interesting chickens, and the ones that we're developing here are exceedingly interesting chickens.
This adult chimera is a success. Most of its feathers are black, which means most of its body developed from meaty chicken cells. After meaty fowl can reliably be made from ordinary eggs in the lab, this process will be scaled up to factory production by another company. Fertile eggs from good layers will be injected with meaty bird cells. When it comes to animals, cloning technologies can lead to mass production or to the creation of a single special creature.